To enable and use Samsung split keyboard while in landscape view in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen. Under style and layout section, tap mode. In the landscape view section, select split keyboard. To see the result, open an app where you can type with your Samsung keyboard. Now hold your phone in landscape view. You can see that the keyboard is now being displayed in split mode, where the half keyboard is placed in the left side and the other half is placed in the right side. As a note, you can use this keyboard to help you to type using both of your hands with more easier and better. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.